Ajay Devgan, Varun Dhawan, Anand Pandit. You not see Amitabh Bachchan working. People like Akshay Kumar. Everybody is not Sanjay Leela Bhansali or Karan Johar or Bonnie Kapoor. Doesn't have a godfather. I don't want to encourage any Chinese product.
Hey, hi, good
How are you?
afternoon.
Good to see
I'm
you.
good. How are you?
Good,
Same here. So
Long
you,
time, huh?
yes, and thank you for joining for this conversation. Really
Very
looking
sure.
forward. We were looking forward to having a conversation since a very long time because I have been seeing you continuously being behind the government. To start what the industry, and finally the government has heard us.
Yeah.
And so you tell us, Ashok sir, how difficult and how taxing was it to convince the government to start the shoot?
You see, uh, first of all, I thank you for having me on your this show, on this interview. See, none of us were prepared for this pandemic and this kind of a situation,
Right,
and it was a shock to all of us, and we were unprepared. In fact, nobody was prepared, even in other industries.
right,
So initially, we got busy with relief and rehabilitation of our own people. Because unfortunately, this entire industry of ours is based on daily wages.
right,
In fact, even the directors, technicians, everybody is based on daily wages. If you work, you are paid. If you don't work, you don't get paid.
correct, correct.
That's why I call this entire industry, based on daily wages. So initially, we got busy with collecting donations. We see to it at least some relief goes to our people,
Right, right,
and we got busy with organizing that the entire Federation of Western India Cine Employees, which has a huge number in lakhs, their members, because it's a mother body of nearly 32 crafts, which is like directors, cameramen, art directors,
right,
editors, makeup men, dancers. So
right.
all those areas which form a part of the film industry is a part of this federation. So
Right.
we got the lists, members, we appealed them. Salman Khan, his NGO transferred money directly to the members, and then Yash Raj donated. Then
Yes,
great filmmakers like Rohit Shetty, Ajay Devgan, Varun Dhawan, Anand Pandit, Anand Rai, all people came forward and they started helping us. Sajid Nadeadwala,
right,
IFPTC, the Guild, all the Producers Association, IMPA, they all got together. One thing which we know which very good happened this time is that the entire industry, all the organizations got together, and we
came
took a
together.
call
Right,
that we will fight this battle together, and that's why we
yes,
found it. Then when this area got a bit settled, halka sa, this
hmm,
that is under process now. It's online.
right,
Then we started approaching ourselves. We started talking ourselves. We started discussing tomorrow when the shooting starts with the
hmm,
kind of restrictions which the government is coming out with, and rightly so. WHO, Health Ministry in the center, in state government, and we started reading things and all that you have to wear masks, you have to keep a distance, and all these things are all new to us. So
right,
studying all that, we again sat together, and the guild, the producers guild, formed their SOP. We at the federation level formed our own SOP. Other organizations, they formed their own SOPs. The broadcasters formed their own SOP, and we presented it to the authorities. They had separate
hmm,
meetings with the Honorable Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray ji. We had the meeting with Cultural Affairs Ministry Secretary Dr. Sanjay Mukherjee, and
hmm,
then we started discussing with them amongst ourselves also. And then we were not hoping, we were not expecting that things will come so fast. And within, I think, 10 days or 15 days of time, not even that much, we got this response from the government that this is
hmm,
a GR on which basis you have to start working.
right,
Now, Adesh Bandekar, who's a actor, and a very well-known actor in Marathi cinema and films, is also part of Shiv Sena's, Chitrapat Sangh. He also played a very important role in the entire coordination between the government and the film industry. Now, the GR has come, and we are studying all those points. All the organizations at their level are going through it. We are trying to analyze how will it be possible with so many clauses and so many, precautions to be taken. And we have to do a homework. We have to train our people because nobody is used to this kind of working. The
Right.
PP has to be there, how the makeup will be done, how the set guys will work, how
Exactly. It's
scenes
going to
will
be very
be,
difficult, right? To follow
yeah,
those
it
guidelines,
will
it's going to
be,
be very difficult.
yeah, it is, but there's no other choice. There's no other way. We have to
Right.
think of new concepts. We'll have to think of
Right.
new ideas which will based on these conditions. So physical distancing. Then you can't be near each other. You can't have romantic scenes now. You can't have
Correct.
stunts now. So, but I think we are all creative people. We know how to continuously keep on entertaining people in
Right.
given situations. So the only two things which I like to tell you that we have written a letter today to the Honorable Chief Minister is there are two things which I think can be rethought in this entire GR.
Hmm.
One is the age factor. There is a limit of 65-year-old age.
Yes, 65.
So I
Right.
think that is a very big catch point because we have all stalwarts, we have all
Yes.
versatile actors, technicians in the industry. In fact, more than 50% of this industry is plus 65. They're all senior
Plus
citizens.
60. Correct.
Uh,
Right.
According to this law, you will not see Amitabh Bachchan working, or Anupam Kher
Right.
working, or Nasruddin Shah working, or Shabana Azmi working, or there's so many. There are great cameramen, there are great art directors, there are great
Correct.
technicians, producers themselves.
Mhm.
Who are, if they're not allowed on the set, then things will become quite difficult. And another
Right.
important thing which is there in the GR is that you'll have to have an ambulance, you'll have to have a doctor and a nurse on every set. Now,
Right.
given the present situation, Rita, I think it will not be possible because emergency places, even the hospitals, you don't have doctors, you don't have nurses,
Right.
ambulances are not, available. Because the situation is like that. It's a medical
Right.
emergency, and we see patients walking on the road, reaching the hospital, all that. So, having ambulances and medical staff on every set sounds very difficult.
Will be difficult.
So what
Right.
we are suggesting is that we can have area-wise, these facilities, and we'll try to do that. Now, if these things are not done, and if they're not able to shoot, then shootings will not happen. And one more thing,
Correct.
which is very important, I was talking to some ministers and
Mhm.
some important people in the ministry, is that according to this GR, you cannot shoot in containment zones.
Right.
Now, I think most of the Mumbai is under containment zone. It's there is
Right.
not a single place where this problem is not there. So today we
Right.
have written a letter to Aslam Sheikh, who is the guardian minister of this state, that there are places in Mud Island, there are places in Mira Road, there are places we have huge open spaces. We have studios like Kamalistan, like Filmalaya, like Filmistan, Raj Kamal, which
Mhm.
are guarded, which has a proper boundaries and secluded areas,
Right.
and they're not within the slums area. And also, some consideration should be done, and we should be allowed to shoot in such places. See, if these things don't happen, then this GR doesn't have any meaning. The
Correct.
entire lakhs of people who are there in this industry, if shootings don't happen, then I think people will migrate to their hometowns, and then there'll be another exodus of all those people working in this industry. As it is, I think more than
Right.
40-50% of our daily wage workers, our carpenters, our light boys, our spot boys, they've already migrated. So this is a
Yes.
suggestion what we have made today to our guardian minister, Aslam Sheikh.
Like you mentioned, no, there are a lot of like kissing scenes, like crowded scenes are going to be, limited. You can't do it.
Yeah.
Films like Gangubai, Takt, and all the big budget and historical films, which were supposed to go on floors in June, July, will now maybe not go on floors. What do you have to say? How will they start their shoot and how will they proceed?
You see, it's difficult. It is difficult because it's a matter of life and death. It's not that there was a cyclone or there was a flood and we have come up with, we have recreated our sets and all that. Here, the problem is that you're talking about a human life.
Right.
So those scripts, those big films, which have been a lot of films which have been shot, like Bonnie Kapoor has shot his Maidan quite a bit,
Yeah.
with a lot of junior artists and all that. So new techniques will come in, where as it is we have become very good in special effects.
Right.
A lot of green is being used to create sequences. So
Right.
the kind of talent we have in this country, the kind of confidence we have in our people, we will create, but it will take time. It will take time. What we're trying to say is that a lot of money has already been invested in these films. A
Right.
lot of infrastructure has been created in these films.
Correct.
But unfortunately, this situation is such now that you cannot think on those lines now. So there's a major loss which the producers have suffered, whether it is cinema, whether it is television, whether it is entertainment, whether it is theatre owners. Major attack on our industry. And the tragedy is, I would like to be very honest to you, is this: it is only our industry which is not taken seriously by any government is center. We are not considered as an industry. You talk about aviation industry, you talk about textile industry, you talk about soap industry, you talk about all industries, you talk about farmers, you talk about agriculture. But here, this industry, which is one of the industries which gives you maximum revenue, one of the maximum revenue generated industry, and that's all we do. It's very difficult for us to get loans from the bank.
Correct.
It's very difficult for people and all the great producers. It's hats off to these producers and those people in the industry who have lived, who have created and recreated whatever they have achieved on their own. And then this is the industry which has stood by the nation, by the country. And it's not that we are doing any obligation to us. We have people like Akshay Kumar, Mr. Bachchan. There is an entire industry who stands up as far as funding is concerned, donation is concerned. We are all emotional people. We are all artists.
Right. Right.
So we need proper facilities to be given by the government. We need proper insurance, concepts to be given for the industry. We need some help from the industry, and certain infrastructure should be created by the government towards this industry. We have an information broadcasting ministry. We have all of the ministries and all that. But unfortunately, people from our industry, whosoever have gone into politics, whosoever have become Rajya Sabha members, MPs, right from Sunil Dutt's days, so many people we saw in the parliament. Unfortunately, it has been a bad luck for this industry that nobody has been able to give that right, that kind of a respect, that kind of a dignity which we deserve, actually.
Right. So also, I read one of the rules was that you have to break down all the sets that have already been created, which was created before this happened. So all that will be broken and then recreated.
You see, because the rains are going to come. So a lot of sets have been already demolished. I told you, Bonnie Kapoor ji, he had to demolish his entire set of Maidan. So many sets have been erected in the film city that all have to be demolished. And then, as I told you earlier, this magnum operas, films which have been shot, historical films and all those films, I don't think that will be possible in recent times for another year or two. I'm not seeing that kind of a situation. At least for 6-8 months, 1 year, that will not be possible because the paraphernalia is very big. You have huge sets. So huge sets means you have a lot of workers on the sets.
Correct.
They are in hundreds. You have a huge number of junior artists on the set. Then everything becomes very big. Unfortunately, the situation is such now that you cannot think big. The nature is forcing us to think very small now.
Correct.
Create ideas which has a very small domain.
Right.
We are not being allowed to think big. You can think and keep it in your bank, in your script bank, or in your creative bank. But I don't think giving the situation, and then Mumbai is going from bad to worse. Things are not under control. Every day the numbers are increasing. We have 70,000 now in Mumbai.
Yeah. We are
Mumbai
at least by 1,000.
Even if you go out, the traveling, the risk. One thing I'll tell you, there is a lot of fear which has gone into everybody's mind.
Correct.
एक डर जो पैदा हुआ है ना अपने माइंड में कि मुझे अभी अगर मुझे कल गवर्नमेंट बोले और सरकार बोले कि सब ठीक हो गया निकलो बाहर, अभी कोई टेंशन नहीं है. But let me tell you, there is a so much of fear, psychosis, which has been created, which has gone into every mind, that he will
Yes.
think 10 times whether I should go out or not. He will think, let people go, I'll sit at home and let me observe. Let me
Right.
see whether things are working or not. And this is what everybody will do, you know.
Correct.
So I think, that it will take time, and
Right.
hopefully things will work out. It's a loss which, it's frightening when you think about it. So we have stopped thinking about it, you know.
Hmm.
So luckily you have OTT platforms now where you have an opportunity. Everybody is not Sanjay Leela Bhansali or Karan Johar or
Right.
Bonnie Kapoor. We have been this entire industry. They also have got a huge beating. Such a big film like Suryavanshi, which Rohit Shetty has made. Imagine the
Hmm.
film was about to release a week later, and then lockdown
Yeah.
happened. So money is on interest. You have taken loans. You have, invested so much. So मुझे लगता है कि बहुत बड़ा सोचना अभी बहुत कम टाइम में. I don't think that
Right.
will be, possible.
Right. Like you mentioned, do you think now the filmmakers will think more of making films for OTT platforms rather than for theaters, because this is the right time to, invest for OTT platforms?
You see, OTT platform has its own charm, own capacity. Thinking that films will not be made, that's also not right. Films will be made. There have been so many small budgeted films. We have seen so many super hit comedy films. We have seen so many films which has no big tamjam. Those films also have released in theaters, and they are
Right.
big hits. So cinema of that kind will also be made. Uh, Especially some producers, all of them will also concentrate on concepts for OTT platform, because there is a area which one can think on. So that also is possible. So it is a joint, platforms. Whether it's theater also, they open whenever they will open. I don't think that kind of crowd will be sitting inside. There will be a lot of
Exactly.
restrictions there also. If there's a capacity of 300, I don't think more than 100 will be allowed to sit in the theater. So
Exactly.
the confidence of people going to the theater also will take time. Tomorrow,
Right. I was
as I
just
told
coming to
you,
that. Yeah.
tomorrow if government announces, yeah, open the theaters, so people will think whether we should go to an area where there are people, because there is so much of fear. Even if you open malls, because most of the theater are in malls, so
Right.
malls, you'll see so many people there, all kinds of people there. So the risk factor of going into public place
Correct.
is also a big thing. Why are we not starting local trains? Why are we not
Right.
starting public transports? Because more the people at one place, more the risk to your life is there. So
Exactly.
to again stand up to that kind of a confidence is going to take time. So
Hmm.
we people who are creative people, who are producers, who are technicians, will search in for, and then see, medium has been created today. Otherwise, I and you could have sat in my office or in your office, but
Yeah.
work is not stopped. We are on,
Correct.
we are on this Zoom, and things are happening. We are seeing so many webinars. We are seeing so many short films being made sitting at
Yes.
home. Songs are being recorded sitting at home. Recently, Salim Suleiman recorded a song on Eid, sitting at
Yes.
different places. Salim on his house, Suleiman was in his house. Films are being made, interesting films are being made, videos are being shot, story-based films are being made. So I
Yes.
think necessity makes you more creative. Necessity helps you thinking on those lines, and things will happen. I'm not very negative about it. Things will work
Right.
out. Keeping situations, keeping a lot of things around you, we will create things accordingly.
Right. But how difficult will it be to convince the audience to come to the theaters in the given scenario, or later post everything, it's sorted? How difficult it will be to convince them? Also, earlier we used to record the box office collections based on the first day, second day, or the weekend. Now, how will that change?
You see, I think it will happen. Now, tomorrow, if you announce that temples are going to be open, people will flock there. So there are a lot of people in this country who think theaters are the temples. There are people who are film buffs. There are people who think that this is a place where I should go, and they will all go. The youths, the youngsters, they will, and then this will create confidence in them. You will not feel that you are sick or you are fearful. So the spirit of fighting, the spirit to stand up again will make people go to the theater and other places. When people can, make a line of 3-4 kilometers, 5 kilometers outside a liquor shop, which is which is a habit. So
Right.
watching films also is a habit of people that they will not, shirk away from not going to the theaters.
Right. And what about the collections? How will that, come in the picture now?
See, it is a major hit. It is a major dent to the industry. You will have to, compromise on collections and all that. The film which used to run for 3 weekends or 4 weekends, time will increase. Because if, according to earlier this thing, if 500 people were watching a film in a day, you will see 150, which will happen. That collection will be spread over more time. I think that
Right.
only will be collection is concerned. But as I told you earlier, Anita, that things are not going to be easy. This industry
Correct.
has been majorly hit because this industry has always lived like an orphan.
Hmm.
This industry doesn't have a godfather. This industry doesn't
Right.
have a roof on their head. We have created our own roofs. We have created our own godfathers. And that's why we are fighters. That's why we stand up.
Right.
There are so many people, if you see, right from Gurudutt days, olden days, films have flopped, people have sold their houses, people have sold their properties, and once again they have made a film and they have stood up. So this is the
Yeah.
character of this industry. We don't believe in losing the battle. We are fighters. We stand up against all odds. We again, succeed. You see all major production houses like even Rajshri, when Suraj Barjatia was talking in one of our master classes, he narrated that
Hmm.
we were about to lock down our productions. But
Hmm.
one film lit on which become a hit, and it brought them back to the industry. And there's so many like this, so many.
Right.
So because it's an independent industry, we have not got support, from outside the other, industries or the politics of this country. We know how to
Right.
survive. We know how to stand up, and we will do it. That's what I am very confident about it.
And you're working hard towards, getting everything back to normal. We can see that very
Yeah,
clearly.
yeah. Because you have no other choice. You can't sit at home and cry.
Yes.
You cannot
Right.
go because then you when if you go in your depression, if you feel that there is only darkness and you're not seeing any future, then
Right.
things will not happen. Then things will not
Correct.
happen. You will have to. Then you'll fall sick, and things will
Correct.
not. And there's with so much of fear in the minds of the people when we talk to people in the industry. Today I was speaking to Kumar Mangat. I was speaking to so many people. How do we stand up? We are speaking to various technicians in the industry. How
Hmm.
do we work out on an insurance things? How do we protect our people if tomorrow a technician or a producer, production guy or a producer or somebody falls ill on the set? How do we save his family? How do we protect his family?
Correct.
So all those things are continuously happening, and it's a great industry. I can't. I'm not trying to be very selfish and very pompous about my industry or my profession. This industry is one of the finest and the bravest industries as compared to other industries.
Right, agreed on that. So also, major part of filmmaking is also the promotions. Once the film is ready, the actors, producers, directors, they go all out for promotion. Now, how the promotion strategy will change, and how will they reach out to the audiences?
I think people have learned different ways of promoting now. Everybody's promoting himself. We have learned the different ways of it. They'll be on Zoom. Zoom, so at least I want to boycott now. That's a different issue. I don't want to. I don't want to encourage any Chinese product. So there's a new app which has come out called Namaste. So
Oh,
I've
okay.
already downloaded. Yeah, it's a very good app and it's more easier than Zoom. So it's an Indian software. So I've already downloaded that software. I forgot to tell you, otherwise I would have started. I would have chatted with you on Namaste
Oh,
app
okay. I
only.
had no idea.
So jokes apart, it will happen. There are a lot of ways of promoting your product, and then uh, because the investment of money will be not huge, not big, the responsibility of spending money so much on promotion also will go down. So you'll not be able to spend so much of money in your travel, in your
Right.
hotels, in your this thing because more you spend on your product, more you spend on your films, on your shows,
Mhm.
your responsibility of promoting it and the insecurity of things not working, you tend to spend so much of money. You buy media nets, you go to theaters, you go to
Correct.
cities. There's the entire country travel, the entire unit is traveling, and the casts are traveling and all that. So that will reduce. And then you have so many outlets now. You have news channels, you have so many entertainment channels. All the interviews can be done in Mumbai. You can do live, things now. So things have worked out, and there are a lot of platforms. There are a lot of ways where you can promote your film. You have so many social media platforms. You have Facebook. You have as it is. Before this lockdown and all that, the budgets of promoting films on social media had gone more than the print media. If you see the budgets which had been sanctioned for promotion of a film or anything, was the concentration had gone more on social media, on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook. 3 or 4 huge creators of a promotion. We have people like Viral Bayani, Manav, Yogen Shah. They have created a new platform of promotion, and they have become so big. So people, adapted that way of promoting a film. Tomorrow, if it is costing me putting my film on a print, newspapers like Bombay Times and huge publications, and I don't have my budget, I'm not trying to compare, I get a huge number of following or followers, things watching it on my Instagram, and people like, Viral, Manav and Yogen and other people who are promoting my film.
Yes.
Brilliant response on their platform.
Correct. Exactly. So, sir, even those films which have outdoor locations have to be on hold, and how will they work out? Or they will wait till the complete clearance?
Yeah. Outdoor traveling is a big problem, because if you go into other states, if you're going into another states like Haryana or Madhya Pradesh or UP, there also things are not right. Things are not.
Yes.
So till the time the dust doesn't settle, I think traveling also is a difficult task now. It's not that you enter inside the airport. It's a huge, it's a very difficult task. The kind of precautions you have to take, and I'm sure, if not anything, the stars of the industry will restrain themselves.
Yes.
Actors of the industry will restrain themselves from taking any kind of risk, because as it is, and they're rightly doing so, because there's so much of money which has been on the head. There's so much of crores and crores of money which has been invested on them by the producers. So it's very important for them to be more careful, more constructive towards taking precautions. Because the thing is such that you can't take any chance. You can't. Things can be delayed. If it's now 6 months, 1 year, nothing. Nothing is not that the life has come to an end or something like that. But it's important, more important, as the Prime Minister says, "Jaan hai to jaan hai." If you're alive, you're okay, you're healthy, then things will happen. Nothing is impossible.
Thank you so much, sir. It was really great having a conversation with you and getting to know more about how things.
And good to see you after a long time, Varita. Good to see you.
Yes, sir. Same here. Hope to see you, face to face very soon.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Great. Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you.
Take care.
Thank you, dear.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.